Partners for Exabeam are critically important. It's basically the lifeblood of the company. When you think about Exabeam, we are a channel-first organization, which means we fully believe in channel in terms of how we go to market. They're absolutely our lifeblood. We couldn't be successful without them.
A really positive partner experience. I think it's very, very clear that there's a level of trust between all parties. And for us, it's the level of collaboration that Logarithm and Exabeam have offered throughout that partnership, which means that we have identified strong goals. We always have a plan together, and we work hand in hand with our partners, which makes it a really positive experience.
I think, look, having the time to build up trust with the vendor as well. There's sort of things on both sides that we need to do, upskilling our team, learning the product, learning the solution, running some sort of POCs as well with clients. That's quite key. So I think, a vendor like Exabeam, they seem to put that time and effort into building that relationship and helping us to ramp up. So yeah, I think thinking long term with the vendor is really key for us.
We've been working with Exabeam, well actually with Logarithm for 7 or 8 years now. And it came to a point last summer where we were evaluating the market again, saying, is this the right solution for us? Just as Exabeam and Logarithm came together, and it was perfect timing because the Exabeam product, the NewScale offering, is exactly what we were looking for, yet we loved all of the support and help that we got from the commercial teams at Logarithm. So it works really well for us.
Obviously money's the big thing, how many deals they can close, but a partner that really gets involved, that understands the marketing aspect. They're pushing it out to all of their clients. They're bringing new clients on, or they're winning new clients because of Exabeam. Because of what Exabeam offer, if that can then turn into brand new clients for our partners, then it's a win-win for TD SYNNEX, our partners, and the clients.
AI is very much a big topic for us, a very hot topic. We have a lot of partners in the AI space, and the way that Exabeam is both incorporating AI in the way that in their security, but also securing AI is very interesting for us.
I think the Exabeam brand has always been known for being a strong provider of SIEM technology and real detailed understanding of users and behaviour within organisations, and they are the largest standalone SIEM provider in the world. So that brand is really, really strong, and we're going to support that growth in the UK market.
Yeah, the way our partnership works with Exabeam, we try to engage really early. We're out looking for opportunities with our clients. We're trying to piece together outcomes and solutions for our clients as an MSSP. And a big part of that is that managed detection and response piece. And what Exabeam bring to us, we work with them very closely early on to provide that technical support. I'd much rather have the vendor next to us, working with us, with the client. It gives the client reassurance that they know that they're going to get the support and help, not just through the sales cycle, but through the life cycle of the solution.
Not only do we have the partner-centric approach, the other key component is our continued innovation. We're relentlessly focused on making sure that we continue to invest and innovate. So our products are in line with the market in terms of what customers are looking for. We continue to add more features, more functionality to make it the best solution in cybersecurity.